Disney World.
Wow.
Wow.
Who are these candies for?
Those are for Daddy.
For Daddy, that's right.
This is for Mommy?
Nope, that's for Daddy too.
Oh.
Daddy's gonna have a big butt.
Hey now.
These are your candies.
Awesome.
Okay.
What else is in there?
Wow. Look at this.
Those are for me.
What is that?
Lollipops.
What's on
Whoa,
them?
man. Mickey Mouse lollipops.
Yes, Mickey Mouse.
Those are awesome.
What's this in here? This is for Minions. This is
Aww. Let's see.
here's one.
Nope, nope. Look. Stand up. This one's for Lorraine. Hold it up.
What's this?
That one's for you, and this one's for
Woo,
Vivian.
pretty.
Pretty dresses.
I just want a ballerina dress.
Wow.
It's a
Pretty,
ballerina.
pretty.
It's a ballerina dress. Whoa, a book about George. A book about George. A new book about George and Colin.
Oh, I bet Cullen recorded it.
Wow.
Wow, it's so pretty.
All right. So do me a favor, Lorraine. Turn around and say thank you.
Thank you.
No, turn around and look at me.
Around.
Say
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
We love you.